Okay, first Lucas. Okay, Riley, go back down. Go back down. Lucas, who's going to be in your story? What animals?
It's snake and this monster and a T-Rex and big and a big buffalo and a moa and a snake.
Okay, now all right, tell us your story. What happened?
It did bite the house.
What happened in the house?
He did bite the house. The T-Rex did bite a house.
He bit the house.
Yeah. Only one piece of bite on his claw.
And what happened to the house?
He did eat it all.
He ate the house up.
But did he eat the food?
Who was in the house?
It's nobody.
Oh, and then what happened?
The trees.
What happened with the trees?
There's no forest left.
No forest left?
No.
Oh.
And no trees in the woods.
No trees in the woods
and
at all?
no plants or no stinging nettles.
Oh.
He did eat the stinging nettles too.
Stinging nettles too? All gone. And that's the end of the story?
It's the world eaten. It's the world eaten. The buffalo did eat the planet. Planet!
He ate the whole planet.
And then he fell in the sea. He did eat the sea.
And he drowned.
And the ice. And the ice.
And the ice.
What?